Hey everyone, it's Carol Williams with Williams Immigration, and we are back for another Monday morning with Beyond the Soundbite. So every morning I come on, I hop on here live, and we chat about what has been going on with U.S. immigration the previous week. So it's the U.S., it's immigration, so we've had something going on. So let's dive right in. So the first thing I want to talk about is the USCIS citizenship test. As of December 1, they have changed the number of questions and the difficulty of questions that they are asking for applicants. So if you filed your application on or after December 1, you will be responsible for knowing the new content. So all of the questions that they can ask you are on their website. If you need the link or you can't find them, you are more than welcome to pop a note in the comments or DM me, and I'm more than happy to send that link to you so that you have it. Now, that is still a rule that has not gone 100% final yet, is the way I kind of like to describe it, because they are still accepting comments on that rule from the public. Public is you and me and anybody else that wants to comment on that rule. And so you have until the end of today if that is something that you wish to do. And again, with all rules, the Immigration Service must then take all these comments that they are receiving, look at them, analyze them, and determine whether or not, based on any of these comments, they want to change the rule at all. So we will see what happens, but comments are due on that new citizenship test rule today, Monday, December 14th. The next thing I want to talk to y'all about is DACA. I talked to you last Monday about the court case and how the Immigration Service, USCIS, now has to accept DACA cases. We were all a little concerned as to whether or not they would actually follow the federal court rule this time. But it seems that they are doing so. There is a note up on the website regarding DACA. They have announced, USCIS has announced that in direct response to that federal court litigation and that order, that they are now accepting renewals and initial DACA applications. So if you feel like you missed out on filing for DACA the first time because you weren't aware of it, you didn't know if you met the qualifications, now is the time. You are eligible. The rule goes right back to where it was back in 2017. So if DACA is something that you're interested in or you think you qualify, please reach out. You can reach me, you can DM me, you can call the firm directly at 954-903-1337, and we're happy to set up a call and see if you qualify for DACA. So that's really great news. If you are an employer and you have someone that you're looking to hire, you're not quite sure if they may qualify for DACA, you are also certainly welcome to reach out, and we can walk through that, walk through what that looks like and whether or not your specific candidate may qualify for DACA. So that's great news. And it's going to be a teeny bit of a short one today, folks. The last thing I want to talk to you about is TPS. TPS has been extended for, let me get this right, El Salvador, Haiti, Nicaragua, Sudan, Honduras, and Nepal. So let me say that again. TPS has been extended. It's been automatically extended for individuals who currently have TPS and are from El Salvador, Haiti, Nicaragua, Sudan, Honduras, and Nepal. So if you are a national of one of those 6 countries and you already have TPS, it has been automatically extended through October 4th of 2021. So what does this mean for you? So this means that you do not need to file for a new work authorization. Your work authorization is automatically extended, and you do not need a new employment authorization document, which we commonly refer to as an EAD. You do not need a new one. If, however, you would like a new EAD card, then you will need to pay the filing fee in order to obtain a new EAD card. So that's super important. You don't need a new EAD card if you currently have TPS and you have been automatically extended, your work authorization has been automatically extended until October 4th of 2021. But if you choose to get a new EAD card, you just want that new card with a new expiration date, USCIS is happy to take your money because they will require you to make that filing in order for you to get a new EAD card. So just keep that in mind. Again, the countries that are impacted by the TPS extension are the 6 countries are El Salvador, Haiti, Nicaragua, Sudan, Honduras, and Nepal. So what does this mean for employers? Well, for my employers out there, if you currently have someone on staff who has presented an EAG card based upon TPS, you will definitely need to annotate your I-9 form with the new expiration date and why it is automatically extending. If you need help with how to annotate your I-9, feel free to give me a call at 954-903-1337, and I can walk you through what that should look like on your I-9s, because we want to make sure that your I-9s are spot on and accurate. And so I know we've had a lot going on in terms of the I-9 world, and the need to look at things in person, and then now during the pandemic, we've had some different changes. So we just want to make sure that you are annotating your I-9s accurately. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. And folks, that is all I have this glorious Monday morning. So I am Carol Williams. This is Beyond the Soundbite, where every Monday morning I come on and I talk to you live about what's hot in U.S. immigration. So if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments, and you can use #replay. I do go back and monitor these, and I do go back and answer questions. If you have other questions, you can feel free to drop me a private message on this platform, or you can just call the office, 954-903-1337. And again, I am Carol Williams with Williams Immigration, and this has been another Monday morning of Beyond the Soundbite. If you have found any of this helpful, feel free to like and then share with your friends and colleagues. And I will be back to talk to you again next Monday morning. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.